In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the grey screen issue in Google Chrome. If Chrome is opening to a grey or blank-looking screen and not loading properly, this quick adjustment can often solve the problem. The issue is commonly related to hardware acceleration or the way Chrome is using your computer's graphics processing. What we're going to do is temporarily change the Chrome launch settings so it opens with GPU usage disabled. To get started, open Chrome from your desktop. If you already have the Chrome icon there, go ahead and locate it first. Take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct Chrome shortcut, because this method works by editing the shortcut properties. Once you've found the Chrome icon on your desktop, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Properties. This will open a new window where you can edit how Chrome launches when you use that shortcut. In the Properties window, look for the field labeled Target. This is the location that tells Windows what program to open. You'll see the path for Google Chrome there already. At the end of that target line, enter a space, then type -disable-GPU. Make sure it is added exactly at the end, with a space before it, so the command is recognized correctly. This added command tells Chrome to start without using GPU acceleration, which can help if the grey screen issue is being caused by a graphics-related conflict. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference, especially if the problem started after a browser update, a graphics driver issue, or a system change. After entering that text in the target field, click OK to save the change. That will apply the updated launch setting to your Chrome desktop shortcut. Now try opening Chrome again using that same shortcut. In many cases, the browser should open normally instead of showing a grey screen. If it does, then the issue was likely tied to GPU rendering. One important thing to keep in mind is that this change only applies when launching Chrome from that edited shortcut. So if you open Chrome from somewhere else, like the taskbar or start menu, the fix may not apply unless that shortcut is updated too. That's it. This is a fast and effective way to troubleshoot the grey screen issue in Google Chrome, and it only takes a moment to set up.